What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a special edition of Backwards TV. Uh, back a couple weeks ago when we were in New York for the NYKBF State Championship, some of you, if you were on Facebook, got to see that there was a surprise catch on day one. I can't say that I've ever done it before, and I'm hoping to never do it again. But yes, I managed to catch a seagull on my topwater bait. I wasn't paying attention, and he swooped down and grabbed it. So thankfully, I got the release footage for you guys to take a look at and laugh at as well as I did. I'm warning you right now that images that you see can be offensive to some people. If you are that kind of person, don't watch it. But the bird was released unharmed, no issues, wasn't even bleeding, flew off on its own power, and disappeared on the horizon. So before I get all the PETA members and everyone else attacking me for this, it was not planned. I didn't go out purposely going to catch this bird. It decided to attack my bait on its own, and I did everything that I could as a sportsman, hunter, conservationist to make sure the bird was released as least harmed as possible. So with that said, let's get to it.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, and then it tried to bite it out.
Why? I'm like done after this. This is too much stupidity.
I hate the GoPros rolling, so. No, grab it by that. The one that's in it and pull it down.
Kayak.
Ow! You f***er!
Now it's in its footing.
No, it's just around it, isn't it? Nope.
Dude, it's gonna bite us. Look at it. It's like I'm coming for you.
You f***er. Don't even.
I'm getting the away. It's like a raccoon when you capture it, dude. Getting the battle ready to beat its ass. Catching
Only
fish and birds.
catch and release.
Is it really on video?
Yep.
Uh-oh, what's going on?